Thank you, sir. So guys, we have DIGIMORE 1200 here. So in this box, we get one manual, user manual. This is the main device we are getting. This is beautiful piece of the. You get some buttons here. One is mic, insert lavalier mic here. Then DC input, so charge करने के लिए, and then you can turn it on.
Bluetooth mode.
Turn on, and then you can raise volume from here. And you'll get one USB charging cable. You can put it here. It's a Type C. This is an amazing thing. I love it. Let's see how it works. मोड चेंज करना पड़ेगा इसमें. हिट ऑन, पावर ऑन ऑफ यहाँ से हो जाता है. माइक यहाँ पे. इंसर्ट द वायर्ड माइक्रोफोन. रोटेट द नॉब with the clockwise to power on to enter the speaker mode, and put on microphone headset to suitable angle. Okay, please keep the distance 1 to 2 centimeter from your mouth. Rotate the knob with the counterclockwise to adjust the volume power. Okay, first we will turn it off. Okay, it's turned off. Then we are turning it on. Okay, now we will insert the mic. I'm not sure it is working. It's working. Hello, check. Is it audible? So yeah, it's doing good. So yeah, so it's very easy to use and I love it. It looks amazing. So if you put this in front of mic, it might make echo. For example, if you hold it like this and if you take it nearby to the microphone like this, see this, it will make noise. So you have to keep it down so that it won't make the noise. You can increase the volume and yeah. So I guess it's a full volume. So this is the full volume, and yeah, it's working perfectly, and it looks nice if you put like this.
पूरा बैल के नाक जाती है.
So this is the another example. If you have little tummy, you can keep it on.
Disconnect. Connection successful.